today I'm going to be making Cadbury Birds Nest Cookies. Now I want to introduce my big sister, Lucy. Hi, Lucy.
Hi, Serafina.
Okay, let's get started.
Woo, 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 woo.
The ingredients you'll need is milk chocolate chips, Reese's peanut butter chocolate chips, and then Cadbury mini eggs, chow mein, some muffin cupcake liners, and then
Silicone baking muffin mold.
And then we have a spatula spoon and a regular spoon, and then a big medium mixing bowl. Step 1, place milk chocolate chips and peanut butter chocolate chips in a medium-sized bowl. Okay, let's do it. Oh, satisfying. Step 2 is microwave bowl. Okay, microwave for 45 seconds, then stir for 30 seconds, stir. Okay.
Okay, how long?
45, so I'll go 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
It's done.
It's done. We're getting it out. Okay, I'm gonna stir it.
I think it needs more time, Serafina.
Okay, let's do it for 30 seconds now because it says 30 seconds. And then stir.
It's kind of hot. Here, how about I hold and you stir?
Okay. Step 4 is stir the chow mein noodles until it's with the melted chips. Okay, Lucy, I'll...
You need a little help there? Oh, good job. Hold it on to the bowl. It's not like it's gonna go anywhere.
Get out.
Kind of feel like, I don't know, like I'm making like an Easter basket.
It kind of feels like I'm doing the drums. Wait, Lucy, can I help? Drums.
Oh, just chocolate. Okay.
It's time for step 5. Put a baking cup in each cup of the muffin pans. Okay. Ooh, it's really springy.
That would be my bad. I'm gonna mix it up.
And one blue.
Hey, what about me? No, I'm gonna do it. Serafina.
Next up is to fill each cup half wet. Okay, let's do it with this. Just a little bit. I need another spoon. Okay, that's good. Now it's time to place 3 eggs on top of
the stuff. Okay, let's go. Try to do like different colors.
Mm-hmm. Is this white?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna let it refrigerate for 15 minutes. We're gonna let it cool. It's been over 15 minutes, and now it's time to take it out of the fridge. Lucy, let's go.
Now it's time to put it on the plate. Carefully.
Oh, I didn't recognize this. Now it's time to taste test, and it's my favorite part because we're taste testing. So, should we call Luca on?
I don't know, maybe, should we?
Maybe. Lucy, should we?
I don't know, maybe.
Okay, fine, we can. Luca! You want to try delicious stuff?
Sure.
Okay. Luca, how does it taste?
Good.
How much percent is it?
Like 100.
Why is it 100?
It tastes good.
Just why does it taste good?
A lot of chocolate.
Lucy, do you like it? How much percent is it, Lucy?
300.
Why 300?
It's really good.
Oh.
So what percent is it?
A quadrillion.
Why?
Because it's chocolate and sweet. And I don't need water. Yes, I do. Okay, remember to smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you be part of my unicorn making community. Bye.
Bye.
Sister power.
2, 1.
Step 1 is place milk chocolate chips and regular chocolate chips in this medium.
Wait. You said the wrong thing.
Okay.
Cut. What happened?
I just got chocolate on the paper. It's all off now. Don't break it, Serafina.
Oh, I will.
No.
She
Who's she?
Cut.
POV Serafina.
No, that's not true.
You sure?
Step 6 is fill it 1.5 wet.
1.5 away.
Yeah.
Cut. 3, 2, 1.
Fill each cup 1